I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the tools in place. Install the Quick Share or Link to Windows app on your PC and sign in with the same account. Turn on both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so devices can discover each other. Once done, set the PC to visible or discoverable in the app settings and grant file access permissions. This initial setup lets devices authenticate quickly and creates the only supported path for pairing and secure transfers. You now perform the transfer. Open Quick Share on the PC and set it to receive so it advertises itself. On the sending device, pick the files or folder, tap Share, and choose your PC from the Discovered Devices list. You will see a prompt on the PC to accept the incoming files, accept and pick a destination folder. Make sure both devices stay awake and connected. If the network drops, pauses happen. This step handles the actual data movement and verification. You finish by confirming the files arrived intact. Open the destination folder and check file names and sizes against the sender. If a large transfer stalls, split into smaller batches and try again. This often resolves timeouts. If devices fail to see each other, restart Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices, sign out and back into the app, or restart the Quick Share app. One key tip: toggling discoverability on the PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.